Imagine this. You're sitting at your desk, struggling to open a simple program, when suddenly, your coworker breezes past. They barely touch the mouse. Just a flurry of keystrokes. And like magic, their screen springs to life. Windows open, tasks execute, and pop-ups appear in perfect harmony, all while their fingers dance effortlessly across the keyboard. It's not sorcery. It's not some hidden superpower. It's simply the art of mastering hotkeys. And here's the best part. You can do it too. Let's start with a must-know skill. Number 1. Switch between apps like a pro. Jumping between apps. Hotkeys make it effortless. Control plus Alt plus Tab or Control plus Tab on Mac shows all running apps. Windows plus Tab opens Task View, giving you a full overview like Mac's Mission Control. Alt plus Tab or Command plus Tab on Mac lets you swap between apps instantly, no preview needed. Master these, and multitasking becomes second nature. Number 2. Lock down your PC. You've been browsing for the perfect gift, or maybe taking a little work break, but now you need to step away, and you'd rather not have anyone snooping around your computer. No worries. Quickly lock your profile with Windows plus L, or Shift plus Command plus Q on Mac. Just make sure you've set up a password first. And remember it, it's a quick way to keep your stuff safe and sound. Cool, right? Number 3. Open File Explorer in a flash. Not every app needs to be pinned for quick access. Some essential tools are already built into your system. Need to browse files in record time? Just hit Windows key plus E, and File Explorer pops right up, ready to go. Mac users, your equivalent is Finder. But let's be honest, you probably already knew that. Number 4. Quick access to settings. Need to adjust your PC's settings? Or dive into advanced options? No need to dig through menus. There's a shortcut for that. Just press Windows plus I, and the settings window pops right up, giving you instant access to everything from network preferences to system updates. A small shortcut that saves big time. Number 5. Take screenshots like a pro. Found that tiny piece of evidence? Better save it before it disappears. On Windows, just press Windows plus Print Screen, and voila! Your screenshot is saved automatically in the Images folder. Mac users, you're covered too. Command plus Shift plus 3 takes a full screenshot. But for more control, use Command plus Shift plus 4. This lets you select exactly what part of the screen to capture, or even just one specific window. A quick and easy way to save the moment. Number 6. Use the Action Center. Need to set up Bluetooth, connect to devices, toggle Wi-Fi hotspot, or manage notifications? All these features are at your fingertips in the Action Center. On Windows, press Windows plus A to open it instantly. For Mac users, just click the Notification Center in the top right corner of your screen. It's your one-stop shop for quick settings and notifications. Number 7. Create a virtual desktop. You're deep into a work project, fully focused, when suddenly, bam! A new task demands your attention. Opening more windows will just clutter your screen and slow you down. The solution? A fresh, clean desktop in seconds. Just press Windows plus Control plus D, or Control plus Up on a Mac, and voila! A brand new workspace, ready for action. Number 8. Open apps like a pro. Tired of hunting for your favorite apps? Pin them to your taskbar for instant access. But wait. Here's the real power move. Press the Windows key plus a number, 1 to 9, and boom! The corresponding app on your taskbar launches in a flash. The numbers represent the apps from left to right. So Windows plus 1 opens the first, Windows plus 2 the second, and so on. No more clicking around. Number 9. Master the split screen magic. Ever wish you could do 2 things at once without juggling windows? Try this. Open an app and press Windows key plus left arrow. Open another app and hit Windows key plus right arrow. Voila! Your screen is now neatly divided between both apps, making multitasking effortless. Need to fact-check your paper while writing? Easy. Editing photos while watching a tutorial? No sweat. Coding on one side while previewing your project on the other? Perfect. Number 10. Master virtual desktops like a boss. Ever feel like your screen is drowning in open windows? Don't worry. Your work isn't lost, it's just hiding. To switch between virtual desktops, simply press Windows key plus Control. Then use the left or right arrow to glide between them effortlessly. Need to close a virtual desktop when you're done? Just press Windows key plus Control plus F4. Poof! It's gone. Mac users, you've got this too. Hold Option and click the little X on any open desktop space to close it. Now you can keep work, entertainment, and personal tasks neatly organized, without the clutter. Number 11. Instantly return to your desktop drowning in open apps? No need to minimize them one by one. Just press Windows plus M and boom, your desktop is clear. Need a quick peek instead? Windows plus comma or Command plus F3 on Mac lets you glance at your desktop without closing anything. Perfect for grabbing info from widgets or just taking a well-earned break to admire those calming green fields or fluffy kitten wallpapers. Number 12. Use the Windows Game Bar. After a long day of work, it's time to unwind with some gaming. You finally defeat that tough boss or share a hilarious moment with friends in an epic online battle. What if you could capture that amazing moment? Well, you can. With the Windows Game Bar, you can record everything effortlessly. Simply press Windows plus G to bring up the game bar. Then use Windows plus Alt plus R to start and stop recording. Want to stream? Just press Windows plus Alt plus B. For Mac, use Shift plus Command plus 5 to start recording with QuickTime. Capture and relive your best gaming moments. Number 13. Troubleshoot like a pro. Let's go shoot some trouble. We've all been there. Your program freezes, ignores your desperate clicks, and refuses to cooperate. No amount of pleading or bribery will make it work. But before you go nuclear and restart your whole system, try this power move. Windows users, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to instantly open Task Manager and shut down that stubborn app. Mac users, hit Command plus Option plus Escape to bring up Force Quit and kick that misbehaving program to the curb, because losing one program's progress is way better than losing everything. Stay in control, stay productive. Number 14. Talk to Cortana or Siri Task Manager, Research Assistant, Life Organizer, Casual Conversation Buddy? Well, they try. Modern computers come with their own personal assistants. They're just a shortcut away. Windows users, need Cortana? Just press Windows key plus C and she's ready to listen. Mac users, summon Siri by holding Command plus Space and ask away. Whether you need reminders, quick facts, or just someone to talk to, no judgment. These AI assistants have your back. Number 15. Use the magnifier like a detective. Ever wanted to zoom in like a TV detective, enhancing images with a dramatic, "I need 10x zoom"? Well, your computer can do that too. Sort of. Press Windows plus plus to activate the magnifier app, letting you zoom in anywhere your cursor points. Use Windows plus minus to zoom back out. On Mac, it's Command plus Option plus plus plus. Just don't expect to solve crimes by analyzing reflections in sunglasses. Hollywood still has us beat on that one. Which hotkeys have saved your sanity and made your computer time smoother? Drop your secret combos in the comments, and don't forget to like this video. Because, let's be honest, your keyboard deserves some appreciation too. Share it with your friends so they stop asking you for tech help, and subscribe to channel. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in next video.